Hi, gorgeous! Today we are going to bleach and color melt for ashy blue-gray hair color. Take a look at her hair. We can see black virgin root and previously bleached hair. So there are two different colors. Her dark root having growing out more than 6 inches. Oh my god. So okay, let's prepare to bleach your hair. First, as you guys already know, spray K18 hair peptide prep using the blue trigger butter. Check it well before I use it. No need to rinse it out, just wait for 4 minutes and then spray K18 hair mist. So we are mixing Pharmacy Color B Diamond Powder Bleach with a 30 volume to lightening her entire hair of the scalp. So we can using slightly higher volume than 20 volume since we are not applied bleach directly to the scalp. This time, we are doing a global bleach to lighten all of her hair as you watching me. Let me explain how to sectioning applications. Divide hair into 4 sections for even applications and start from the back section as they took longer to process. And usually mostly it's very thick in the back, so I prefer to start from the back section and apply bleach 1/4 inches or 1/2 inches from the scalp to demarcation blonde part. Because since she doesn't want a entire blonde, just like she wanna be a little bit of dark shadow root to blending her natural her hair color. So we don't need to retouch up her scalp directly. They use a consistently and generous application to avoid the patchiness. So you also can use the comb during the application so that it will be also helps to penetration smoother. Do you remember these 2 tips when doing a global bleach? I think I mentioned last time too, but I would love to repeat it to remind you guys of the key point to do a global bleach, especially Asian hair. Her hair is medium texture and very thick, so it's better to take a thin slice section about 1/2 inches or 1/4 inches best, and thicker section are harder to penetration evenly. Now, if you don't have any confidence to apply bleach quickly, you don't need to using overly strong bleach like 30 volume or higher. Since we are not doing a highlight, so we can always bleach a second time if necessary after the first round. Apply the bleach quickly to each section. If you go too slow, it's hard to get the even result. Make sure all sections are evenly saturated. But don't worry, you can go back to check anytime after you bleach entire hair, okay? So don't be so stressful when you do it. Look at this lightened hair after using a heater for 45 minutes on both sides. To wash out all the bleach, we are using Fanola Purple shampoo and letting it penetrate well while massaging it. Because I don't want to second bleach her hair, but actually we had to bleach the second round, especially 4 inches demarcation part, to remove all warm tone and lightening her hair, at least to level A, to achieve a cool tone like ashy blue or gray tone. So the second round will take less than 30 minutes to process. Because I don't want to damage her hair too much and make her hair too dry. So only like 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes after all applications bleach in second round, okay? I think this time it looks much better than first round. Look at this. Can you see more yellow? Right? I'm very excited. Look at this beautiful warm yellow base. I already feel so much better since the hair lightening. The hardest part is done. Woohoo! Let's go wash your hair. To wash out all the bleach, we are using Fanola Purple shampoo again like last time. Then we apply Amica Balls to your breast purple hair mask to neutralize the warm tone. This product slightly lightening the hair and remove all the yellow and warm tone. Look at this. Can you see really like almost close to white and cool blonde? this time, we want to apply Olaplex number 2 treatment to her hair to strengthening and extra protect damage and dry from the hair color process. Now, let's talk about hair color. We are going to mix 2 different color formulas. For the root, permanent hair color 5AB light ashy blue brown and Demi-permanent color 3MB midnight blue, 1:1 ratio with a 6 volume developer. For the rest of the hair, permanent color 6AB dark ashy blue blonde, Pravana express tone moody blue, 1:1 ratio, a tiny bit of Pravana Ash Blue Corrector with a 0 volume developer. Ashy Blue Corrector is specialty shade used to adjust, enhance, or neutralize any chroma cell permanent cream hair color. It's ideal for neutralize orange tone when you're working with the level 3 through 6. But this time, we want to use it as a booster blue with a smoky silver tone. She doesn't want a dark blue like dark blue or midnight blue, but still wants some blue with a silver tone, so we suggest an ashy blue gray tone. Because silver blue tend to fade out to silver within 2 weeks really quickly. So just want to let you know, you guys, if you or clients want silver blue, oh, I want a silver blue, can I get it? Then you have to tell them, silver blue, yes, we can, but silver blue tend to fade out to silver within 2 weeks. So are you gonna be okay with that? So please make sure your client's okay and comfortable with fading a blue that quickly. Otherwise, I suggest that, why don't you go gray? So gray gonna be last slightly longer than silver, right? So make sure that. I also love to show how I apply color melt on my clients' hair, especially on the side and face framing. Please stay with me, and we are almost done with the Sohea's transformations. Thank you so much for staying with me so far. We can already see that ashy blue-gray hair color. Don't worry if the color looks darker than expected during the process. It is due to oxidation from the dyes. Once coloring is done, we will apply 1 to 3 pumps of the K18 Hair Pro Mask to repair, smooth, and strengthen the hair. Apply with the hands or brush for even distributions. To detangle and add shine and repair the hair before styling, we will spray Wrinkle and Cloud Bulb Oil Repair Splasher Styler. This leave-in mask delivers shine, softness, and repair. For body and texture, we will follow up with an Wrinkle Chiffon Styling Mousse, like whipping cream. Look at this gorgeous, lovely ashy blue gray hair with a beach wave. This color is also low maintenance and not too light, so if you are thinking about trying something new, this is great options. Before, her hair was obviously black and blonde. Wow. After 6 hours with Sohea, her hair is completely transformed ashy blue gray. So beautiful. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it. See you soon.